Hi, this is George Pianka demoing my fifth project for the Flatiron Web Developer Program. The name of the application is Keto Calc, and it's a React front-end, Rails back-end build. The idea of the application is to allow users to calculate, log, and track the metrics of ketosis, such as net carbs, calories, weight, and to a lesser extent, protein and fats. The application I'm going to go ahead and start up the application right now. So I use Postgres for the database and persistence so that it would be easy to push to Heroku since it requires that now. That's just bringing up the database. The rake start command here, rake task, which triggers the processes defined in the Procfile.dev to spin up both, and that is to serve both the back-end server and the front-end here. The application has a custom user login flow featuring Facebook OAuth, so you are able to log in with Facebook, and the way that's working is it's fetching certain criteria and credentials, and then basically on the back end sending those credentials back to the backend, which is then making another call out via sort of the Facebook API with using Faraday on the Rails backend and validating that it is in fact a valid authentication request from this application. So we can go ahead and demonstrate how that works there with the login. And the idea behind the application is it's centered around three basic categories. One, the home screen, offers this large calendar view, and the graph offers a comparison of the net carbs, calories, and weight so that the user may review and compare these metrics. And then the log category allows a user to select from a particular date and enter in weight and the rest. Logging now in, because you can sign up or log in here under just kind of a straightforward login. Here allows to view the previous, and you can see here on the calendar the display for net carbs, calories, and weight is indicated here, and that's the view, as well as going to the graph over here. You can see this charts out the comparison of weight, net carbs, and calories in a sort of graphical, easily digestible way. Within the log, we can see here the days for which we already have logged a day are highlighted in green. Upon clicking on a new day, such as that, or clicking on a currently logged date, such as this, we're able to update that date from the drop-down, or edit the weight for that date. And we can see here, if we edit on this day, 10/20/2019, and we change the weight to, say, 182, we'll update that, right? And then on the calendar, we can see there on October 20th, that weight has been updated to 182, and then on the corresponding graph, we have that change in the weight as well, as you can see over here. That would be now jump to over there. All right. Okay. And those are the basic functions of the Keto Calc right now. I'm trying to add the connection to the database, though there have been some issues with that. That will allow the user to actually start logging these entries and adding those metrics for the cool. All right.